Hey friends, if you're wondering who is this lady who sounds the same and is in the same location, but has brown short hair, I don't know. No, it's me. Just I needed a little change, and so my friend Miss Laura did her magic this afternoon. So same person, different look. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make a quad card. I love foldables. Everything's not a worksheet, and this will be very helpful. You're going to use this in science today, but I would like for you to practice using or making these because you're going to use them several times throughout the year. So you just need a sheet of paper. It's really easy. This is just something that I took out of my printer. You can use a sheet of lined notebook paper. Sorry, this is written on. But anything will do, whatever kind of paper that you have. So you're going to take your paper, fold it in half like this, kind of like you're making a greeting card, okay? And then you're going to fold it in half again, okay? And crease it, all right? And then when you open it up, you magically have a piece of paper with 4 sections, okay? So when I say a quad card, this is what I mean. Quad means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, you're going to use that this morning with a little morning work assignment, and then you'll use it again for science. So in the directions where it says quad card, this is what I'm talking about, but you're going to use it with some sciencey stuff. So, but for morning work today, I would like for you to make a quad card. Then I would like for you to title it, and you're going to have to be patient with me. I'm going to write it, and then I'm going to show you. Because I don't have a document camera here at home. So I want you to tell me, I want you to label 1, me. I want you to label another quad, my family. Then I would like for you to label 1 school and 1 hobbies. Okay? So your card will look like this. Okay? In the me quad, I would like for you to just write something about you. Tell me just something about yourself, whatever you want to tell me. It's fine. And then my family, I would like for you to tell me something about your family. School, I would like for you to tell me something about your school. Anything you want to tell me. You could tell me about your favorite subject, or just whatever you like about school. What do you like about remote school? Whatever's good for you. And then hobbies. Tell me what you like to do in your spare time. So write this, and then I would like for you can scan it, you can make a picture of it, you can email it to me, or you can send it to me in a private message. If you don't know how to do that, let me know, and I will be happy to help you. This is just a fun way for us to practice making things, either scanning it or making a picture of it and sending it to me, because we'll be doing that throughout the year. So anyway, that's your morning work assignment. That's how you make a quad card, and I'll look forward to learning more about you. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.